All right, guys, we're at Southwest Auto Repair. These guys were super nice and helped us out. Ray had a little technical difference with the bike, so we had. Hey everyone, this is RJ Productions here. I'm about to show you a footage. We got a little clip. We didn't get a lot of footage of this when we were headed out from Dallas-Fort Worth area out to Killeen, and we had a little trouble with Ray's bike with his 2023 CVO Road Glide. And so anyway, I got a little bit of footage of it, so I'm going to show you that. So basically, just to let you guys know, we got probably about maybe 20 minutes on a trip. And he was already, when we took off, if you're watching the video when we were leaving my house, you'll see that the bike was running and sounding a little funny in some of those clips. And then we were on our way out to Killeen, and again, it was around 34 degrees. This is in January. And then as we get out there, his bike was sounding a little funny. And at one of the lights, his bike went dead. And then when he tried to crank it back up, bike would not re-crank. And we were trying to figure it out and just let it sit, tried different things, couldn't get it running again, get it to start again. So then, and it was also like the battery was draining, like the battery was down. We don't know. He ended up replacing the battery with a lithium battery. But we rolled it over to a shop, and they kind of helped us get the bike onto Ray's. He went and got his company van. We're able to get the bike on there and ultimately get it up to Killeen, to All Make Cycle Repair, get it to Finn. And of course, kind of what we figured out, there was something going on with the timing, something with the compression, and some things that he did in the tune to adjust everything. And the bike started cranking back and not having really those issues. Obviously, he did a whole nother cam and tune and everything on it and got the bike running really well. But I just wanted to show this clip so you guys would know kind of what happened in between there, even though we didn't have a lot of footage. So I thought I'd just get on here and kind of explain a little bit of backdrop to this, and then you guys can continue on with the video. All right. Looking forward to many more videos coming out. Stay tuned. We're going to be showing all of these different things that happen when we're out with Finn in his shop, and all the things that he done, kind of telling the story as we go. And so tune in and just get all the education from Finn, because this guy's great. He is very knowledgeable when it comes to performance, and especially performance Harley-Davidsons, but any performance bike for that matter. So see you soon. All right, guys. We're at Southwest Auto Repair. These guys were super nice and helped us out. Ray had a little technical difference with the bike, so we had to get it up on the trailer, on the van. Hey, Dylan, open the van. Let me get the video of it. So the journey got delayed. We had to load it up in the van, and now we're headed to Killeen. I'm not really sure. It's just been running a little funny. And then it had trouble, it went dead, and then it had trouble starting back up. So we're gonna go get it checked out before. We're not gonna risk it and ride it up there. So I'm gonna ride mine up. Ray's taking his on the van, and we're about to head out. All right, let's roll, Dylan.
Yes, sir, let's do it.
All right. All right, bro, you ready?
Ready.
Let's roll.
So Horny Toad is a little before that shop.
Okay.
A little before it.
What you want to do, will you call All Makes and ask for Finn?
Yeah.
And then let him know what's going on and what our ETA is.
Okay.
And then ask him his advice, what he think you should do. Because he might, just tell you, I'll take a look at it, why it's on the which call. But either way,
yeah.
Just call him and holler at me later.
Okay.
Okay. All right, bye. Come on back. So Ray finna unload his bike right here on the street. Okay.
You gotta kick that deal over there. That red second.
You got the brake, right?
Yeah, I got the brake. I'm kind of limited on space. We're gonna have to stand inside here.
You want to sit on it and just roll it back? I mean, you can sit on it. That's pretty cool. Good on this side. That's just this. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna push you on out. Tell me when no cars come.
No cars coming.
Like you got you ready.